assistant coach at McGrath High School.
All right, now, man. You guys are through to the second round. I'm pretty sure that you guys didn't really aren't satisfied with the results today. But what do you think about your team performance today? What do you think went wrong for the team today?
Well, first of all, in the first half, we made a lot of mistakes and we ended up paying for it. Against a good Dinthill team, we made compact right through the game and we have concentrated for a long period and we never did that.
What do you think you guys can fix going to the second round, because you guys will more likely face just as tough opponents as Dinthill and you'd want the same issues to reoccur. What do you think you guys can do to fix and correct going forward?
Well, I think for the second round, our team we're more fresher. I think that our legs were very tired today and they played the Valencia. I think that this 1 week break that we're going to get, I think our team can recover for that.
Alright, so we'll be looking for great things from McGrath. Hopefully we'll see you guys advancing even beyond that to see. So with the rest, you think you guys will coming back fresh and firing as per the form that you guys picked up going on to the latter stage of this group?
For sure, yeah. For the senior league, I know that I will bounce back quite.
Alright, coach. I'll see you guys again for the second one, alright?
Thank you very much.
Bless up.